Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see another very delicious oriental recipe, and it's prawn broccoli stir fry or shrimp broccoli in chili garlic sauce, which is not just quick and easy to make but tastes amazing with a flavorful spicy sauce. And this recipe is so good to enjoy with some fried rice, sticky rice or noodles. So friends, let's begin with this delicious recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 8 to 9 medium sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined with tails intact. And now we will season them with some crushed Himalayan pink salt. You can of course use normal salt. And along with that goes some crushed black pepper. Next goes half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder, and the juice of half a lemon. We'll give this a good mix so that the prawns are marinated well, and this will result in flavorful prawns when we stir fry them. And now we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now we'll prepare a flavorful spicy sauce. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. Then this is oyster sauce. Adding here 1 tablespoon of it. For spiciness goes 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. You can also add sriracha sauce. Then goes 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. This is sesame oil, adding 1 tablespoon of it. We'll add a little water into this, and with the help of a spoon we will mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined, and our spicy flavorful sauce is ready. In a separate bowl I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add a little water and mix this well to form a slurry, and our corn flour slurry is also ready. And now to start with the cooking process, we'll heat a pan and into it we'll add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the marinated prawns one by one. We'll keep the flame on medium. Since prawns don't take much time to get cooked, we will fry them until they turn golden brown in color from both the sides. And after about a minute, we will flip the prawns one by one. And these prawns look so tempting. And since we have marinated them well, they have turned flavorful. So you can enjoy them right away also. And once the prawns are fried well, we will now add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. The quantity of garlic will be more in this recipe. Then goes 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. We'll saute them well on medium flame until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Next goes some onion chunks. We'll saute them for a few seconds. And now time to add the broccoli, which I have cut into medium-sized florets, and I have steamed them for pasta cooking. So they are almost 60% cooked. And now we will stir them for few seconds along with the prawns and onions. We'll now quickly season them with some salt as per taste and some chili flakes. We will stir and mix this well so that the seasonings are well incorporated. And now time to add into this the flavorful and spicy sauce which we had prepared earlier. Let's mix the sauce well with the prawns and broccoli. And along with the sauce, we'll also add the cornflour slurry. We'll give this a mix and will allow the sauce to thicken so it coats well with the prawn and broccoli. And once the sauce thickens, we will add into this some toasted sesame seeds as well as some chopped spring onions. That's it. Our oriental style prawn broccoli is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this quick and easy prawn broccoli in chili garlic or hot garlic sauce and enjoy them hot with your favorite noodles or fried rice. Also love to hear your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.